Hey, it's Jenny Jones. Welcome to the AI School. If you're a busy side hustler, creator, or career shifter, you're already surrounded by AI every single day. But no one ever showed you how to actually use it to make your life easier and your income higher. This space is built exactly for that. Before we dive in, a quick reason why you can trust what I'm about to share with you is because over the last few years, I've worked directly with more than 50 founders, career creators, and small business owners, helping them launch their offers, organize their tech stacks, and actually ship ideas that were stuck in their heads. You're about to see a few of them talk about what it's like to work together with myself and my team and how those systems changed their business. Let's take a listen to what they have to say.
Hi, my name is Avi Vatsa. I am the CEO and co-founder of an AI startup called Dialora.ai. My startup is worth $15 million today, and in no small measure, it has been because of my friend Jenny Jones. Jenny was instrumental in helping me grow my business in the beginning when we just launched from zero to $500,000 in revenue. He literally saved my launch of my first product launch on Dialora. He himself has several AI startups and SaaS businesses. He knows the market. He knows how founders think. He knows what it takes to get it right and get it done. I've actually personally met a lot of people from his community, small business owners, first time starters, for people starting a business for the first time because of Jenny Jones. There's a way about him, like he just doesn't like teach, you know? He knows what you need and he knows what's right because he's tested it and he knows this is working right now, right? He's all over the place. AI is a very dynamically fast growing industry, and this guy's got his pulse on it. He knows what he's talking about. All right, I can't recommend him enough. I love this guy. So I will highly recommend him. And this is the person to learn how to start and grow your business today with the AI age. Because he's done it himself. He's taught other people how to do it. He's worked with hundreds of other successful founders who've just launched in the last couple of years in AI. And he knows what he's talking about. He knows what the problems are. He knows the solutions to those problems. And I highly recommend Jenny Jones.
That same experience, what real founders struggle with, fixing those problems side by side and watching the results, that's actually what shaped AI Growth School. You're going to learn AI in 3 simple ways: how it really works in plain language, how to plug it into your everyday life, work, and side hustles, and probably one of the most important ones is how to turn your best AI workflows into leverage for your career and business.
Hi, I'm Jess, founder of Mavic.ai, an AI marketing platform built for solopreneurs to multi-market enterprises. So working with Jenny really helped me see gaps I couldn't see on my own. He really helped to bring clarity to my product, uncovered real opportunities, and help us shape how we scale beyond the early adopters. And the thing is, his feedback wasn't just about features, it was really about business fundamentals. It focused on what users really struggle with, what can bring real value to users, and where AI can add value. So on top of that, he's been a great sounding board and really fun to have conversations with. I highly recommend working with Jenny.
Welcome to the AI School. Let's make AI one of the most useful tools in your life this year. Thank you.